गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम मैथ सब्जेक्ट में फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में मैथ सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने वाले हैं। हमने यूनिट 23 तक कंप्लीट किया है, उसका रिवीजन हम डिजिटल रूम में करेंगे। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट।
For the year 2018. Let us look at the calendar for the year 2018. How many months are there in a year? In a year, there are 12 months. List the months which have 30 days. April, June, September and November have 30 days. List the months which have 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days. How many days does the month of February have? February has 28 days. How many days make a week? 7 days make a week. How many weeks are there in July? 4 weeks are there in July. Is it true for all the months? No. In which month did you come to class 3? April. Make a circle on these dates in the calendar. 26th January, 14th November, 31st December. Is there something special about these dates? Yes. Fill in the blanks with the correct year. 1. Which year was it 2 years back? 2016. 2. In which year were you in class 2? 2017. 3. Which year will be the next year? 2019. 4. Which year will come after 3 years? 2021. Which festival comes first? Given here are some festivals we celebrate during the year. Look at the calendar of 2018 to find the days on which these festivals fall. Diwali comes on 7th November. The day is Wednesday. Pongal comes on 14th January. That day is Sunday. Raksha Bandhan comes on 26th August. That day is Sunday. Gandhi Jayanti is on 2nd October. That day is Tuesday. Eid-e-Milad comes on 21st November. The day is Wednesday. Onam comes on 25th August. That day is Saturday. Guru Nanak Jayanti comes on 23rd November. The day is Friday. Guru Ravidasa's Jayanti comes on 31st January. The day is Wednesday. Christmas is on December 25th. That day is Tuesday. Bihu is on 15th April. That day is Sunday. Arrange the festivals in the order in which they come in the year. Pongal, Guru Ravidasa's Jayanti, Bihu, Onam, Raksha Bandhan, Gandhi Jayanti, Diwali, Eid-e-Milad, Christmas. Which festival comes in the beginning of the year? Yes, it's Pongal. Which festival comes at the end of the year? Christmas. Calendar magic. Here is the calendar for the month of February 2019. Let us mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. Which is the number in the center of the square? 13 is in the center of the square. Join three numbers by drawing a line. The line must pass through the number at the center. How many such lines can you draw? We can draw 4 such lines. Add the three numbers on each of these lines. What do you notice? 5 plus 13 plus 21 is equal to 39. 7 plus 13 plus 19 is equal to 39. 6 plus 13 plus 20 is equal to 39. 12 plus 13 plus 14 is equal to 39. As you see, the sum of all these numbers is equal. This is a magic square. Now look at the calendar of 2019. Also look for the present month and draw any similar square in your notebook. Does the magic work for these? More magic. Look at the calendar of March 2019. Can you add these 5 numbers in the box in a moment? You will say, oh no, that will take some time. It's easy. The total is 75. You will say, that's right. How did you do that? Simple. Just multiply the middle number by 5. 15 into 5 is equal to 75. Come on, let us take another line having 5 numbers. 3, 10, 17, 24, 31. If we add all these numbers, we get 3 plus 10 plus 17 plus 24 plus 31 is equal to 85. The number which is exactly in between these numbers is 17. 17 into 5 is equal to 85. This magic works for other lines which have 5 numbers. Can you find other magic patterns in the calendar? Complete the calendar. Here is a calendar for August 2018. Color all the Sundays in red color. Here, Sunday comes on 5, 12, 19 and 26. So, fill these dates in red color. On which day does this month end? This month ends on Friday. Write the number of days in this month. There are 31 days in this month. What day is it on 13th August? It is Monday on 13th August. Which date is second Saturday? The second Saturday is 11th of August. Is the 21st a Sunday? 21st is not a Sunday. What is the day on the 29th? What will be the day on the same day next week? 29th is Wednesday. After 29th, there is no week. How many Thursdays are there in this month? There are 5 Thursdays in this month. Find out. Which months in the calendar of 2018 have 5 Sundays? April, July, September and December have 5 Sundays. Can there be 6 Sundays in a month? Why? No, there cannot be or can never be 6 Sundays in a month, as in any month we have either 4 or 5 weeks. Is there any other day in any month which comes 5 times? The true story of Pedki Devi. My timeline. My name is Pedki Devi. I live in a village in Dhanbad district in Jharkhand. I never got a chance to go to school. I remember that when I was 5 years old, I broke my foot. I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit, but the branch broke and I fell down. My foot still hurts in winter. While grazing our goats, we often got busy in playing. Once, at the age of 10 years, I got a big scolding. I had lost one goat. At the age of 15 years, I was married. My husband was much older than me. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. Later, I had 3 more children when I was 20, 22 and 24 years old. Time passed very fast then. I was busy with my farm, housework and looking after my animals. But at the age of 35 years, my world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. His brothers tried to take away our farm. They paid me badly and said that I was a witch. Some good people saved me. We fought a case against those who paid me up. At the age of 40 years, I saw a police station for the first time. When I was 45, I learned to read and write. 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. Now I'm 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. 2 of my children are studying in school. Some things that happened in her life are given here. Mark these on her timeline. For example, when she was 5 years old, Pedki broke her foot. A is marked at 5 on the timeline. A broke her foot. B lost one goat. When she was 10 years old, Pedki lost one goat. Mark B at 10 on the timeline. C got married. When she was 15 years old, Pedki got married. Mark C at 15 on the timeline. D had her fourth child. When she was 24 years old, Pedki had her fourth child. On the timeline, show 24 and mark D at 24 on the timeline. E first saw a police station. When she was 40 years old, Pedki saw a police station for the first time. On the timeline, show 40 and mark E above it on the timeline. F learned to read and write. When she was 45 years old, Pedki learned to read and write. On the timeline, show 45 and mark F above it on the timeline. G. Eldest daughter got married. When she was 47 years old, Pedki got her eldest daughter married. On the timeline, show 47 and mark G above it on the timeline. Mark on the timeline when she was born. In the black box, draw a picture of Pedki as a newborn baby. At the time of her birth, she must be 0-year-old. So, show 0 on the timeline and mark it as birth. Make your own timeline. Ask the people around you and mark at least one thing that happened in each year of your life. One day in the life of Kusum. Let's see what Kusum does every day. Write down the time for each picture. For some pictures, the time is already written and you must draw the hands of the clock. In the others, you have to write the time shown by the clock. Kusum gets up early in the morning. Look in the clock. The hour hand is at 6 and the minute hand is at 12. So, the time is 6 o'clock. Right here, morning 6:00 hours, like this. At 6:30 in the morning, she brings water from the well. To show this time on the clock, the hour hand should be kept at 6 and the minute hand should also be kept at 6. Look, when the clock shows 7:30, she cleans her house. So right here, morning 7:30 hours, like this. Exactly morning 8 o'clock, she goes to school. To show this time in the clock, keep the small hour hand at 8 and the long minute hand at 12. As shown in the clock, at 10 o'clock, she is studying in the school. To show this time in digits, Right. Morning 10:00 hours. Afternoon 1 o'clock. She comes back from school. To show this time in the clock, keep the small hour hand at 1 and the long minute hand at 12. As shown in the clock, afternoon 2 o'clock, she takes lunch with her brother and grandmother. To show this time in digits, write afternoon 2:00 hours. In the evening at 5:30, Kusum plays with her friends. To show this time in the clock, keep the small hour hand at 5 and the long minute hand at 6. At 9 o'clock during the night time, before sleeping, she listens to a story from her grandmother. To show this time in the clock, keep the small hour hand at 9 and the long minute hand at 12. Now, prepare a chart showing your own daily routine in this manner. Time of the day. In words. On the clock. What do you do at this time?
Let us learn about the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let us learn about the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Answer the following questions. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Name the days of the week. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Name the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, July, August, September, October, November and December.